Today I have the Maniology Rainbow Slash Stamping Polish Collection, and these are a set of 6 sheer stamping polishes. I'll be swatching each polish on these fake nails, which I purchase in the packs of 500, and they come in all different sizes. This is size 0, which is perfect for swatching because I don't use them. And then this I'm going to use is plate number 409. I'm going to use this little lip heart right here. And this is a Moyu Nails stamping plate. It is not Moyu London, it is Moyu Nails. This is the one that I always use for swatching, so I'm going to use it today. First polish I'm going to swatch is called Violet Spectrum. Since they are a sheer polish, I'm only going to swatch these over white. That's stamps great over white. The next color I'm going to swatch is Ocean Depths. I didn't press hard enough on the other side of that lip. That is a gorgeous blue color. And this one is Garden Gnome. And all these look great over white. They'll probably look good over pastel colors as well. And this one is Sunny Day. I saw a picture of these all stamped over white with designs, and I thought they were so beautiful. That's why I got them. Usually I don't go for sheer tinty sort of stamping polishes, but I thought these were awesome. This one is Poppy Seed. Now this one is the red color. This is Vermilion, and this is Magenta. That one is super light. Doesn't have much of a color at all. I'm going to top coat this with Maniology's Smudge Free Top Coat. And just like it says, this is smudge free. So you don't have to worry about putting a thick coat on or not having enough on your brush and going over your stamping. It's all good. So I'm going to put this over the other one, and then I'll come back when it's dry. Here are the finished swatches, and this again is the Maniology Rainbow Splash Collection. I do have a discount code in the description box below if you're interested in using it for any Maniology purchases. I do really like these polishes, and I'm super excited to show you how they look with an all-over design on your nails. I think they were pretty awesome, and that's why I purchased them. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.